Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone won't stay connected to Wi-Fi. Today's apps and extra features in an iPhone require Wi-Fi to run for their best performance. When an iPhone doesn't stay connected to Wi-Fi, it'll cut down any procedure like watching videos, doing a video call, updating iOS, and so on, rendering the device almost useless. If you also find Wi-Fi works fine after you join for a while but then your iPhone drops the connection to the Wi-Fi network randomly and frequently, this video will come in handy to help fix the Wi-Fi connectivity problems. In some cases, users have reported that iPhone won't stay connected to home Wi-Fi network when locked. As the phone doesn't automatically join the Wi-Fi network, you'll have to rejoin the wireless network manually. Users with the same trouble can also attempt the solutions in this video. Now, let's start. Why is your iPhone not staying connected to Wi-Fi? There are a few elements that may have contributed to this. The network profile needs an update. Other connections like Bluetooth, VPN and so on interfere with the Wi-Fi connection. The network settings go wrong. The router gets stuck and needs a refresh reboot. iPhone operating system becomes glitchy. iPhone isn't staying connected to Wi-Fi network because of outdated iOS version. The wireless network interface card is broken. Next, we'll show you a few solutions of how to fix an iPhone that won't stay connected to Wi-Fi. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step. Besides, if you have any question, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Toggle off Wi-Fi for a minute. Swipe down from the upper right corner to open Control Center. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable it and wait for a minute. Then, tap it again and now see if your iPhone connects to the Wi-Fi and stays connected to the wireless network. Turn off Bluetooth, airplane mode or VPN if enabled. Go to the Settings app and see if the Bluetooth, airplane mode or VPN is enabled. If so, any of them could possibly make the Wi-Fi network vulnerable to interference. As a result, your iPhone will not stay connected to Wi-Fi for more than a minute at a time. If you suspect this, just disable all of them if they are on. Forget the connected Wi-Fi network, then reconnect. Do you find that iPhone Wi-Fi is not staying connected, which seems like it's not accepting the Wi-Fi password? Then, it's possible that the network settings have been changed or updated. To fix this up, a simple trick is to use the Forget This Network feature right on your phone. Here's what you need to do. Go to the Settings app, tap WLAN, find the name of the Wi-Fi network your iPhone is disconnecting from and tap I icon next to it. Choose Forget This Network and choose Forget to confirm. Wait for a few seconds, and then tap the name of that network again. Enter the correct password and tap Join on the top right corner to continue. See if this method helps make an iPhone stay connected to Wi-Fi now. Do not use public Wi-Fi. It's common that iPhone gets disconnected from Wi-Fi network frequently after the phone locks or goes to sleep when linking to a public Wi-Fi network. This is because Wi-Fi in public places like supermarkets and coffee shops requires the user to manually enter the login information again. So, if Wi-Fi is not staying connected on iPhone because of this reason, just attempt to link your device to a private network like home Wi-Fi or company Wi-Fi. If your iPhone will not stay connected to home Wi-Fi, move to the next step. Restart the router. Unplug both the router and modem from the power. After 60 seconds, plug in the modem to the power and then turn it on. After another 60 seconds, plug in the router to the power and then turn it on. Make sure all the cables and connections are firm and correct. Then, put your phone into the network range, reconnect the Wi-Fi, and see if the Wi-Fi now stays connected on iPhone stably. Refresh iPhone system via restart. A simple restart is also useful when you have issues connecting your iPhone to Wi-Fi networks. System can go glitchy randomly at some times for some reasons. The corrupted system file, over-accumulated cache, and bugs could prevent your iPhone from staying connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you haven't attempted a restart, do it now by following these steps. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Hope your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi again. Bring network settings back to its factory defaults. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings from the pop-up. Enter the passcode correctly and the reset process will start by itself. This won't cause loss of data and apps, so feel free to try. After your iPhone reboots, go to WLAN and reconnect the Wi-Fi. As resetting network settings will remove all the saved networks and password, you'll need to enter the Wi-Fi password again when reconnecting the wireless network. Attempt to do an iOS update. If your iPhone is still not maintaining Wi-Fi connection, try to update your iPhone operating system. Here's what you need to. Open the Settings app, tap on General, choose Software Update. Your iPhone will start checking if there's an update available. If there is, it'll prompt you to download and install an update to upgrade the iOS system. Just press the Download and Install option. Finish the on-screen instructions to trigger the update process to start. Erase everything on iPhone and start from scratch. Note that this step is going to delete everything on your iPhone, including your precious data and content, to fix iPhone not keeping connected to Wi-Fi. If you're assured that there is a previous backup for all your important data, just go ahead to perform a factory reset to force the iPhone to stay connected to Wi-Fi. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. When asked, enter your passcode. Read the warning carefully and tap Erase iPhone to trigger the erase process. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, your iPhone will reboot and the Hello screen will appear. Follow the Setup Assistant to quickly set up your phone. Then, reconnect the Wi-Fi and check if iPhone stays connected to Wi-Fi all the time. Let experts examine the hardware. Have tried all of the recommended steps and still no improvement? Then, it's time to diagnose if either iPhone or the router has a hardware problem. Try connecting your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network in another place. If that Wi-Fi stays connected on iPhone, then you should contact the router or modem manufacturer for help. If iPhone still won't stay connected to a Wi-Fi network, then book an appointment on Apple Repair Store to check the hardware parts or chip that controls the Wi-Fi function on iPhone, like wireless network interface card. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that won't stay connected to Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.